This is case number, I have two cases actually. B is in Victor 111207, USNAP
I got
Back Nonprofit Housing Corporation. This is property at 1684 Virginia Park. Failure to correct code violations on B 111208, USNAP back care of Eric DeWicki, and its failure to call for inspection upon compliance with violations. And good morning, council, your appearance.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit, 70303.
And Ms. Smith,
Yes,
I need your appearance.
you need mine.
Your appearance.
You can't see me?
No. Your appearance on the record.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Your name?
Linda Smith, Executive Director of USNAP Back Nonprofit Housing Corp. I'm sorry, this is my first time.
Okay. So, and good morning, sir. Mr. DeWicki, can you tell me your name, please?
Yes, good morning. Eric DeWicki. I am the board president of USNAP Back Nonprofit Housing Corporation, a nonprofit corporation.
Thank you. So my understanding is that the people would be moving to dismiss both of these matters, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor. However, confirmation that Mr. DeWicki and USNAP Back, they are in compliance. I did briefly have a moment to chat with our inspector, Karen Tyson, and so I would just need an update from Ms. Tyson right now.
So good morning, Ms. Tyson. Can you state your name for the record?
Good morning, Karen Tyson, City of Detroit, Building Safety Engineering.
And Ms. Tyson, I know we spoke about there was some mechanical inspections that were to be performed or are scheduled. What is the status of the future inspections to make sure that the property is in compliance?
That's a timeline which is to be established by USNAP Back. Their contractor, I don't know if he's on or not, but we'd like to make sure that the project moves forward. Simply pulling the permits is not the way to do the job. And so the all trades, not just mechanical, there's mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and buildings has completed their inspections, but they're pending final approvals from the trades. So that has to be completed in order for the certificate of acceptance to be issued by the building department, which would allow occupancy of the dwelling.
And Ms. Tyson, I believe Mr. Jason Jones may be in the waiting room. Do you think that he can speak any further to that particular timeline?
The USNAP Back people will be better judges of that answer.
Yes, we would like Mr. Jones to speak to the progress that's been made. And so can you please let him speak? Thank you.
Mr. Jones?
Looks like he's still connecting.
All right, so while Mr. Jones is connecting,
Here he is.
today, these would be dismissed, and whatever the future has to hold would be the issuance of new violations if they don't comply. Is that what we're doing?
I believe so, and I want to defer to Ms. Tyson. We would be dismissing today, but if in the future there's no compliance, there will be new tickets reissued. The court and myself were under the impression that today was the date and time set for a dismissal by the people.
That's correct. The notice that was the basis for the tickets that we're hearing today has been complied because the permits were issued. And the progress of the permits is the next step.
Okay. So, good morning, Mr. Jones. Can you tell me your name for the record, please?
Good morning, Jason Jones.
Okay.
And so Mr. Jones has something else he needs to offer the court today? No.
And Mr. Jones, this is Tamika Horn with the City of Detroit. We're just deferring to you on the progress of the permits and also moving towards final approval from the trades. And if you have any knowledge to speak on that, we'd like to hear from you.
Absolutely, I can certainly offer that we are actively under construction. We have already, certainly we've already procured a building permit. We also have already passed rough plumbing as well as rough electrical. And we have a rough mechanical inspection scheduled for Thursday. So we are continuing to advance the project. And as after completion of the rough mechanical and ductwork inspection, we will proceed with closing all of the walls and with finished carpentry. Our hope and expectation is that we'll be closing out this project with final inspections within 60 to 90 days at the maximum.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Jones.
All right, so then I
My
will
pleasure.
be dismissing these tickets without prejudice.
Correct, Your Honor. The people are moving for dismissal of both matters ending in 207 and 208 at this time without prejudice.
Okay, all right, so they're dismissed. And unless anyone has questions, I'm gonna end the call and I'll for participants. Okay.
Thank you,
Have a good
everyone.
day. Thank you very much.
Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
All right, now, Mr. And we have iPhones and I don't know. Who is Officer Scott here?
That we didn't get a chance to get to him, Judge.